Member of the German Parliamentary Florian Müller, as part of his 5-day visit to the state on Monday, visited the ongoing construction of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Maudiangdiang, New Shillong. The German MP was accompanied by Dr. Adrian Hack, the resident representative to India of the Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, New Delhi, and Elias Marini Schaefer, the head of Publications and Communications, CAS. The government officials who accompanied the MP during the tour included Chief Engineer PWD Building CB Taryang, Executive Engineer M. Nongplu, and the Architect in charge L.W. Littan. A PowerPoint presentation of how the Assembly building will look after completion was presented to the German MP. Later, the MP along with state government officials took a quick tour of the Assembly building's right wing. Thereafter, the MP visited the state-of-the-art Shillong International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture building.